Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to solve the following expression. So we have been given 33 plus 2 multiplied by 2 minus of 15 plus 7 divided by 2. Now, according to the rules of algebra, we are going to use the approach of BODMAS. Now, according to BODMAS, what we know that at first we have to solve the division operator, then we have to solve the multiplicative operator, and finally we have to solve the plus and then the minus operator. So let's solve it in that way. So 2 multiplied by 2 minus 15 plus, so this is the division operator, so we have to solve it first. So 7 divided by 2 will give us 3.5. After that we have to solve the multiplicative operator. So 33 plus 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, and then we have minus of 15 plus 3.5. After that, according to the priority order, we have to solve the additive operator. So 33 plus 4 plus 3.5 minus of 15. So 33 plus 4 is 37, and 37 plus 3.5 is 40.5. So 40.5 minus 15 will give us 25.5. So 25.5 will be the required final answer of the given expression. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.